gala in Jaipur concluded on a high note. We bring you our next report, top moments from the event.
Shabashiya, 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 ooh, Shabashiya.
When I was entering, I heard a lot of shouting and hooting, and I thought, "Kaun enter kiya hai?" And then somebody told me that India's won, and yeah, of course, yay! Very, very proud and so happy. And I think we're not only celebrating IFA 25 years tonight, but more than that, I think we're celebrating India's victory.
Team India is amazing. It was the whole tournament. Each and every player has contributed, and that's the most amazing part about our team. I think everyone contributing, it is not so easy. The pressure India has, the millions and millions of people expecting them to win always, it's not so easy. And the way the boys have played, hats off to them. It was just, I was lucky to watch the winning shot. But I love cricket, I love the players, and there's so many more players who are coming up. Wish everyone gets a chance to play in Team India.
I was watching the entire match while we were preparing for the show tonight, and I mean, they've not lost a single match. I think they've just lost one match in the last 23 matches that they've played in ICC Championships, which is a absolutely breathtaking record. So many congratulations to the team. We're all so proud and happy, and we're also wearing blue.
Yes! I am so happy. I feel like I'm walking on that ground right now. I was watching it while I was stuck in traffic, and I heard all of you all scream, and I said, India's won.
We'll celebrate wherever we are.
This is the best way to celebrate it actually. I think it's amazing. Stage pe यूं ही धमाल मच रहा है. We'll try and be part of that. We love you.
We love you.
I think.
I don't know how you keep playing without rest. It's just incredible.
Yeah.
Feels really good, fantastic. This is the second ICC tournament that they've won back to back. They won the T20, now they won the Champions Trophy. And I wish they had beaten Australia for the World Cup too. I mean, they played so well throughout the tournament, and the last game somewhere they slipped.
Great win, congratulations. That's all, what else? I mean, I'm really happy. I mean, we all are proud Indians that, India finally won it. And I was really rooting for India to win. And great game. It was 1-0, 4 wickets down. I was really upset. I hope India clenches the win, and they did. So I'm really happy with that.
I literally ruined my hair and makeup because I was watching it while getting ready, and I yelled so hard. But what a moment, what a championship actually.
I think Team India is like the crown of the nation right now. They make us proud. They give us motivation to do better, to become better, to win in life, and be humble about it. And that's amazing. Big congratulations to Team India and all the Indians. This is a big victory for all of us.
I caught up with the stars on day 2 of IFA 2025 in Jaipur. Here's who all I spoke to and what they had to say. Listen in. I'm in Jaipur right now. IFA 2025 in Jaipur just wrapped up, and I have with me Nitanshi Goyal, who won the Best Actress Award for Lapata Ladies. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I heard your speech, you got emotional. What was going on in your mind? Because I saw that video on the screen where you looked surprised. What was going on in your mind when your name was announced as the Best Actress? It was your first award, first time at IFA, and पहले ही बारी में बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस अवार्ड ही आपने जीत लिया, इतने बड़े बड़े दिग्गजों को पीछे छोड़ के।
नहीं एक्चुअली एज मच एज आई वाज रूटिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई वाज रूटिंग फॉर माई नॉमिनीज एज वेल। मैं उन सबकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ, उन सबकी फिल्में मैंने हमेशा देखी हैं, तो आई वाज लाइक आई वांट देम टू विन। और जब मैं जीती तो आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट एट ऑल। आई वाज सो शॉक्ड एंड आई वेंट ऑन स्टेज, आई कुडंट स्टॉप माई टीयर्स, आई वाज दिस क्लोज टू सॉबिंग, देन आई वाज लाइक नहीं, अपने दिल की बात भी बोलनी है, लोगों को भी बताना है कि क्या सोच रही हूँ मैं। सो या बट इट वाज अ रियली सरियल मोमेंट।
स्टेज पे तो मम्मा नहीं आ पाई, लेकिन अभी आपके साथ यहाँ पे आपकी मम्मा है, अगर हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कर सके।
she won't come on camera, but I know she'll be cheering the loudest. That's how people say कि you don't notice who didn't clap for you because she was clapping for me. So even in the audience I was trying to figure out where's my mom, because it's always our thing, this was our dream, मम्मा का पापा का मेरा, and या सच हुआ तो बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए।
आपकी मम्मा आपके सेट्स पे आती थी जब भी लापता लेडीज की शूटिंग चल रही थी?
हाँ जी, she is 24/7 with me. So she has seen all the auditions, all the ups and downs and everything. So this was our moment, this is our win.
How many awards have you won so far? This is like your best moment right now. I want to know आपका शेल्फ कितना भर गया, कितने अवार्ड्स आ चुके हैं?
अभी तो भरना है। आप सब लोग प्लीज़ और प्यार दीजिए, ऐसे वोट करते रहेगा तो मैं शेल्फ भर लूँगी और आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी, देखिए आप सबकी वजह से ये हुआ है।
वेल, ये नतांशी गोयल हमारे साथ थी, इनका पहला आईफा इन्होंने जीता है, वो भी बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस अवार्ड जीता है इन्होंने उस कैटेगरी में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल योर फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स।
You are on fire, back to back, amazing projects. What do you have to say about this amazing comeback?
I don't know about being on fire, but I'm very grateful for the chances I have been given, for the belief people have had in me and offered me the work that I have. I took a long gap and I wasn't sure if I was going to have a job, so I had some nice movies.
Comeback. Please go ahead, take us through your transformative journey. Like, you've lost so much weight. Like, what was that about?
It's a long story, but to keep it short, I just wanted to reclaim my health. I was not feeling great. Physically, emotionally, I wanted to feel that youthful energy and spirit. So I started off with just educating myself. I read quite a bit about food and the part it plays and understanding metabolism and how foods work for me. And of course, I made some important lifestyle changes that I needed to make that was long overdue. So, and here I am today. I think I've never felt better than I ever have before. And sorry? I was just asked that question. Jungle, प्यार तूने क्या किया, फिदा, खुशी, no entry, quite a few. I'm not getting greedy. Love के लिए has a good following. All of them. Why not all of them?
What is this film?
This is for, the untitled film. हाँ, तो उसी फिल्म का लुक है जो बासु सर की फिल्म है विद श्रीलीला।
OTT censorship, if needed, but I think in a way they're liking the fact that OTT is slightly more open than the cinema, and maybe it's slightly more relatable, I guess. So I would say 50-50, but as long as it's not very offensive. If it is surface level, I'm okay with, but extremely offensive abuses and or censorship in terms of maybe abusive language or abusive content, then maybe so. Slightly, because see, you never know what influences the audience today, and especially the youngsters today. And OTT is one such platform which is accessible to everybody. So I think that also should be taken in mind, that the viewership, the content, whatever it is, I think the viewership is extremely important.
I have watched Khushi's all three films. Archies, Lavyappa, Nadania, and now I'm planning a film with her too. Besides No Entry, May Entry, there would be a film with Khushi. It could be Mom too. There are too many leading ladies, so I can't just talk a few now. We have locked a few of them. Some more to go. And after we finalize, there will be a formal announcement. Well, she is trying to follow the footsteps of her mother. Her mother was a top star in all the languages she worked in. And I hope Khushi and Janvi succeed in the same level of perfection they have. My son Arjun today, I mean, he's done a variety of roles, comedy, romantic. He was a villain in Singham. He probably he's nominated too. Well, I'm blessed that I have talented children. Anshula's got immense talent too. She's doing well too. It's only me who's struggling. Yeah, I've been struggling for the past over 50 years. I've been working for the past 52 years, and I don't think I've peaked as yet. So please pray for me and wish me. Well, it depends. Just, spread the good word that you need to see me, and maybe I will.
Sir, one piece of advice that you gave to Janvi when she started off, and one piece of advice you gave to Khushi when she started.
Well, whether it's Arjun, Janvi, Khushi, Anshula, my advice to them is do what you do with a full heart. Be sincere, be honest, and give your best.
कल क्या था आपने देखा नहीं? अरे यार आपने मिस कर दिया। वो एक्चुअली वैसा था कि वो हमारे अली भाई जो है वो पहले होस्ट बनना चाह रहे थे और पीछे से हाथीराम आवाज़ देता है क्या रुकिए पहलवान हम भी हैं।
My routine? Oh, pretty much it's normal. I think आपका रूटीन घर में सेम ही रहता है.
But you get time for yourself.
Of course. Of course. मुझे वो टाइम निकालना पड़ता है. तभी मैं अपने बेस्ट सेल्फ में आ पाऊंगी. And I love doing that. And I think वो सिर्फ तब होता है जब मैं वापस शिमला जाती हूँ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ. I think that's the most beautiful time जो मैं उनके साथ स्पेंड करती हूँ.
What do you do when you're not on set?
What I do when I'm I watch some movies or maybe I hang a lot with my friends क्योंकि बॉम्बे में I think मेरे friends मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा strong support देते हैं. अपनी बहन के साथ बाहर जाती हूँ.
As IFA 2025 in Jaipur wraps up, the city has witnessed a grand celebration of cinema, music and unforgettable performances. With the first leg of its 25th edition, the event has once again proven why it's one of the most anticipated in the industry. Until next time, the stars have bid their adieu, but the magic and memories will linger on. This is me, Dipali Patel, signing off for now. But you all stay tuned to India Today for more news and updates.